I just watched Julius Malema's media briefing, and obviously it's expected for him to say that. I think if you are a South African and still following the EFF, you need to also consider that you're stupid, honestly speaking. Let's just make it plain and simple. There is no sane South African who listens to what Julius Malema keeps on saying and thinks, yes, this is the person I'm voting for. You're stupid. You're a member of a cult, honestly speaking. We have to be honest about that. And also, if you're a foreign national and you choose to listen to Malema and you don't listen to the South African public, you are going to realize leading up to the 30th that South Africans don't value politicians. We don't care. We don't care about a politician. We don't care about political characters right now. You are going to have a very rude awakening. And if you ask me, you are even risking your life, honestly. South Africans are not interested in what politicians have to say right now. And rightfully so. They've been leading us into nonsense for the past 32 years. There's no one worth listening to. That same Malema has been the most inconsistent person. 10 years ago, he was saying foreigners should go. They are causing the most crimes in society. We can't even find them because they don't have documents. Today, he's done a total 360. You're still going to believe that same person. What stops him from doing another 360 again? Listen to our politicians at your own peril. Our politicians are just trying to save face and remain popular around the world. They know they've lost the South African public. You are going to get yourselves into a lot of problems because a South African mob coming to you at your place, at your business, angry, nothing can stop it. SAPS won't do anything for you on that day. Our incompetent military won't do anything for you on that day. When an angry South African mob is coming. Let me tell you, South Africa used to have the most efficient government pre-1994. With the strictest policing you've ever seen anywhere. It was worse. It was almost as bad as current day Israel. That's how they were leading society. Blacks still didn't care. South African black people still didn't care. They were on the streets rioting, getting violent, while being presided over by a government like that.